How to automatically assign roles in Discord. So this is useful if you want people to get a role as soon as they join your Discord server, and here's how to do it. Now first you will need to go to your server, select your server from this left navigation here. Make sure you own the server or you have an administrative role which allows you to create roles and do such things. Right click on your server icon, go to server settings, and from here go to roles, and the first thing you will need to do is create a new role for the users. So for example, I have this role already existing, which is role #1, which I'm gonna use in this case. Next, you will need to add a Discord bot. So for example, you can add Carl bot, which is this one right here. And to add it, you can simply go to the Discovery tab and then select apps. And here search for Carl like this. And then click on Carl bot and click on add app. And then select your Discord server from here. Click on continue. Grant the required permissions and authorize. And it should be successfully added to your Discord. Now once Carl is added, you want to go back to the server settings and then roles, and make sure Carl bot role is the top, or at the top is the first role in the list. And once it is, you can go back to set up the bot. Now you want to go to the dashboard of the Carl bot, so simply click on the Carl bot user on the online users list. Click on this URL, which is the website. It's carl.gg. Now make sure to sign in with your Discord, the same Discord that we used in the app, and authorize CarlBot. Now select your Discord server, which is this one, and then you want to go to Auto Roles, which is this one under Roles, Auto Roles, and then simply select this drop down and select your role that you want to give to the user whenever he joins. So for example, this role #1, and these roles are assigned to any new members who joins. Now you want to click on save, and that's pretty much it. Now whenever anyone joins your Discord server, the CarlBot should give them that role automatically without you having to do anything. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.